Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much dahil 3.58k subscribers na tayo. And I'm so happy because naging part po kayo ng aking YouTube journey. Thank you so much po sa patuloy na nagsusubscribe, nanonood sa aking travel, educational videos and all. Sana pagtiyagaan nyo pa po. Ngayon, paalis po kami. So, isasabay ko na po ngayon. Yung papakita ko lang po sa inyo on how I withdraw my YouTube salary using my ATM card. So guys, itong salary na to is for the month of June. Late siya. So medyo nalilate si YouTube. So i-share ko lang po dahil marami din pong nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ba nagsasahod sa YouTube, pumupunta ba, pumipila ba sa money transfer. So hindi na po ako pumipila but gamit lang po itong Land Bank ATM card natin. No hassle. Dito na po dinadirect ni YouTube. So, I highly suggest guys that you have to review your bank account since it's bank-to-bank basis. So, you have to review your bank account kung tama ba yung nilagay nyo dun sa Google AdSense niyo. And then guys, take note na ang pag-withdraw ng ating salary every 21st of the month. Mag-antay ka ng Gmail from YouTube. So, ilalagay naman doon kung naipasok na yung salary mo. And then guys, this is the Gmail that I've received from the Google AdSense na nagsasabing sinenda nila yung payment. So sa akin, nag-aantay lang ako ng 3 to 5 days or kung wala pa hanggang 5 days, mag-wait lang po tayo hanggang 7 days. So by the way, ipapakita ko yan sa inyo. So later!
A few moments later.
Make sure na nakalagin na kayo sa Google AdSense and then mag-proceed lang tayo sa payments and click lang natin tong payments info. Pagka-proceed dyan guys, makikita nyo yung how you get paid. Click lang natin yung manage payment method. Next is i-click lang natin yung add payment method. And then, merong dalawang options, add new wire transfer details and add new check details. So, ang i-click natin ay add new wire transfer details. So, kumpletuhin lang natin yung details dyan. Ilalagay lang natin yung name of bank account. So, since Land Bank gamit ko, yan ang gagamitin ko. And then, yung bank name, make sure na yan yung nakalagay sa ATM card ninyo. For the Swift BIC, don't worry, kaka-copy-paste lang natin yan dito. So, isa-search natin siya sa Google, Swift BIC code ng Land Bank. So, ayan na, nakita na dyan agad yung code. So, copy lang natin yan. Select all, then copy. Then, go back to that details, and then paste. So, that's it. And then, for the account number, so ilalagay lang natin yung account number natin sa ATM. So, sa akin, yan yung account number ko. Guys, make sure na tama yung every detail. Okay? Yung number na yan, bilangin ng maigi para hindi magkamali. And then, copy mo lang siya to retype account number. So, no need to retype, copy, paste, and all. Then, after that, click set as primary payment method. Then save. That's it guys. Ayan na. Meron na tayong wire transfer to bank account. So direct na dyan isi-send ni YouTube. So don't worry. Hindi ka napipila or hindi ka napupunta sa Western Union. Direct na dyan every 21st of the month.
Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye!